Paano po kaya maituturo ang accountability sa mga member ng team? Okay? Kung ikaw ay supervisor or ikaw ay manager, ano, kadalasan yung kanilang having a sense of accountability or the lack of it is sometimes their reaction to how they're being led. No? Bakit ba hindi accountable yung mga tao? Ano ba yung mga possible reasons? Sige, mag-root cause analysis tayo. Una, possibility, unclear yung kanyang job description. Pangalawa, the person is not properly equipped to do the job. Third is because the person is tolerated. Meaning, pag hindi siya nag-deliver, tino-tolerate siya. So, it's a lesson, no? Pwede akong hindi mag-deliver, I will be tolerated. Okay? There's no difference between being accountable and not being accountable. In short, pag accountable ako, wala namang pagkakaiba doon sa hindi pagiging accountable dahil yung iba kong kasama hindi naman accountable and they're not So marami no na possible reason and you have to flesh out ano yung mga typical reasons for your team for the behavior that they're demonstrating. And you need to find out, you need to discover as a leader. And maybe, hindi rin ikaw yung magsosolve. Maybe ang solution doon is for all of you to sit down and talk about shared accountability in the team. I hope I'm making sense. Ano po?